Are you constantly worried about your kidney health, perhaps fearing the silent damage that could be accumulating? Do you wonder if there's a simple, natural way to support these vital organs without resorting to drastic measures? The good news is you don't have to live with that worry. Proper hydration and nutrition are crucial for keeping your kidneys healthy and functioning optimally. Various drinks not only quench your thirst, but also contain compounds that may help the body flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and support renal cleansing. In this article, discover 7 powerful drinks backed by science and tradition that can help detox and cleanse your kidneys, safeguard against disease, and assist your body's natural filtration system. Number 1. Water, the ultimate kidney detoxifier. Water is undeniably the cornerstone of kidney health, serving as the ultimate natural detoxifier. Our kidneys tirelessly filter about 120 to 150 quarts of blood daily, removing waste products and excess fluid to produce urine. Adequate water intake ensures this filtration system operates smoothly, allowing toxins and waste to be efficiently flushed out of the body. Without sufficient water, the kidneys struggle to perform their essential duties effectively. Dehydration significantly increases the risk of developing kidney stones and urinary tract infections. When you don't drink enough water, urine becomes more concentrated, allowing minerals like calcium, oxalate, and uric acid to crystallize and form painful stones. Similarly, a lack of adequate fluid can reduce the frequency of urination, preventing bacteria from being flushed out of the urinary tract, thereby increasing the likelihood of urinary tract infections. To meet daily hydration goals and make water more appealing, consider simple infusions. Adding slices of cucumber, lemon, lime, or berries can enhance the taste without adding sugar or artificial ingredients. Herbal teas, like peppermint or ginger, also contribute to your daily fluid intake and can be a refreshing alternative. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, adjusting based on activity levels and climate. As important as water is, the next drink on our list offers a specific boost with its natural acidity. Number 2. Lemon water, natural cleanser and stone preventer. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful drink, renowned for its kidney cleansing properties and its role in preventing kidney stones. The high concentration of vitamin C and citric acid in lemons is particularly beneficial. Citric acid binds to calcium in the urine, preventing the formation of calcium oxalate stones, which are the most common type of kidney stone. It can also help break down existing small stones, facilitating their passage. Beyond stone prevention, lemon water supports overall hydration, which is vital for kidney function and toxin elimination. The refreshing taste of lemon can encourage increased fluid intake throughout the day, helping the kidneys process waste more efficiently. Its mild diuretic properties also contribute to flushing out harmful substances from the body. To prepare lemon water, simply squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm or cold water. Drinking this concoction first thing in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and detoxification processes. For best results, make it a consistent daily habit rather than an occasional treat. While lemon water tackles stones, our next drink is a powerhouse against infections, offering a different kind of protection. Number 3, cranberry juice, protection against infections. Cranberry juice has long been recognized for its role in promoting urinary tract health, which directly impacts kidney well-being. The key active compounds in cranberries are proanthocyanidins, particularly A-type PACs. These unique compounds work by preventing bacteria, especially E. coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract and bladder. This anti-adhesion effect significantly reduces the risk of urinary tract infections, which, if left untreated, can ascend to the kidneys and cause more severe infections or damage. When choosing cranberry juice, it is crucial to be mindful of the sugar content in commercial varieties, which can be very high and counteract potential health benefits, especially for those managing blood sugar. Opt for unsweetened or 100% pure cranberry juice to maximize the therapeutic effects without the added sugars. Diluting unsweetened juice with water can make it more palatable. Scientific findings support cranberry's role in urinary tract infection prevention, with numerous studies highlighting its effectiveness. Regular consumption of unsweetened cranberry juice can be a valuable part of a kidney protective diet, helping to maintain a healthy urinary system and supporting the kidney's overall function by preventing infectious burdens. Moving from infection prevention, let's explore a drink celebrated for its antioxidant richness and anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 4, green tea, antioxidant-rich cleanser. Green tea is revered globally for its extensive health benefits, and its impact on renal health is particularly noteworthy. It is exceptionally rich in polyphenols, especially catechins like epigallocatechin gallate, which are powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress in the body, a process that can lead to cellular damage and inflammation, including within the delicate kidney tissues. By neutralizing free radicals, green tea helps protect kidney cells from damage. Research has summarized green tea's anti-inflammatory effects and its potential role in kidney detox. Studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea may help reduce the risk of kidney stone formation and even slow the progression of certain kidney diseases due to its protective properties. Its mild diuretic effect also aids in flushing out toxins and excess fluids, supporting the kidney's natural cleansing functions. While green tea offers numerous advantages, it does contain caffeine. For individuals sensitive to caffeine or those needing to limit their intake, moderation is key. Decaffeinated green tea options are available, allowing you to enjoy the antioxidant benefits without the stimulating effects. Incorporating a cup or two of green tea into your daily routine can be a gentle yet effective way to support kidney health. From antioxidants, we now turn to a vibrant juice known for boosting detoxification and enhancing blood flow. Number 5, beet juice, detox booster and blood flow enhancer. Beet juice, with its striking color, is a potent beverage that offers remarkable benefits for kidney health and overall detoxification. Beets are naturally rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout the body, including to the kidneys. Enhanced blood flow ensures that the kidneys receive an optimal supply of oxygen and nutrients while also facilitating the efficient removal of waste products. Beyond nitrates, beet juice is packed with powerful antioxidants, such as betalains, which give beets their deep red hue. These antioxidants possess significant anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Beet juice supports the liver's detoxification processes by helping it to neutralize toxins, thereby reducing the burden on the kidneys. This complementary action means that both vital organs work more effectively in cleansing the body. For dosage and preparation, it is often recommended to start with a small amount, such as half a cup, and gradually increase it. Freshly juiced beets are best, and you can combine them with other fruits or vegetables like apples or carrots to improve palatability. Incorporating beet juice a few times a week can be a beneficial addition to your kidney-friendly regimen. After enhancing blood flow with beet juice, our next drink offers a gentle diuretic action to further aid waste elimination. Number 6, Dandelion tea, gentle herbal diuretic. Dandelion tea, brewed from the leaves or roots of the common dandelion plant, has been traditionally used as a natural diuretic and tonic for various health concerns, including kidney support. It works by gently increasing urine output, which helps the body eliminate excess water, sodium, and toxins. This increased flushing action can be beneficial for reducing fluid retention and supporting the kidneys in their role of filtering waste products from the blood. While dandelion tea can support waste elimination, It is crucial to review cautions regarding its use, especially for those on medication or with specific kidney problems. As a diuretic, it might interact with certain prescription drugs such as blood thinners, lithium, or diuretics, potentially altering their effects. Individuals with chronic kidney disease, gallstones, or allergies to plants in the daisy family should consult a healthcare professional before incorporating dandelion tea into their routine. To prepare dandelion tea, you can steep dried dandelion leaves or roasted dandelion root in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. It has a slightly bitter, earthy flavor, which can be mellowed with a touch of honey or lemon. Incorporating it safely means being mindful of your body's reactions and always seeking medical advice if you have underlying health conditions. From a gentle diuretic, we shift to a natural hydrator that also plays a role in preventing stones. Number 7, coconut water, natural hydration and stone prevention. Coconut water, often referred to as nature's sports drink, is a fantastic natural hydrator that offers significant benefits for kidney health, particularly in preventing kidney stones. It is rich in electrolytes, especially potassium, which plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance within the body and supporting proper kidney function. The balanced electrolyte profile in coconut water helps rehydrate the body effectively, promoting optimal urine flow and reducing the concentration of stone-forming minerals. Beyond its hydrating properties, coconut water exhibits natural diuretic qualities, encouraging more frequent urination. This helps in flushing out toxins and preventing the accumulation of substances that can lead to stone formation. Its mild and refreshing taste makes it an enjoyable alternative to plain water, encouraging consistent fluid intake. For practical consumption tips, choose unsweetened, pure coconut water to avoid added sugars. It can be consumed directly, added to smoothies, or used as a base for other healthy beverages. Regular intake can be a delicious way to support kidney function, prevent the crystallization of stone-forming salts, and ensure your body stays well hydrated throughout the day. Kidney detox, myths versus facts. The concept of detox drinks can sometimes be surrounded by misconceptions. It is important to clarify that your kidneys are incredibly efficient, natural cleansing organs, constantly working to filter your blood and remove waste products. No single detox drink can miraculously cleanse your kidneys beyond their natural capabilities. These beverages support, rather than replace, the kidney's inherent functions. The emphasis should always be on an overall healthy diet and lifestyle, not just relying on specific beverages. While the drinks discussed can enhance kidney health by providing essential nutrients, promoting hydration, and reducing inflammation, they are part of a larger picture. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, coupled with adequate hydration, forms the true foundation of kidney well-being. Precautions and who should avoid certain drinks. While many of these drinks offer excellent benefits, certain medical conditions necessitate customized hydration and dietary choices. Individuals with chronic kidney disease or other severe kidney impairments must be particularly cautious. Their kidneys may struggle to process certain minerals or fluids efficiently, making generalized recommendations potentially harmful. It is always paramount to consult a healthcare professional, especially a nephrologist or a registered dietitian specializing in kidney health, before starting any new herbal remedies, supplements, or significant dietary changes, including incorporating specific detox drinks. They can provide personalized guidelines based on your specific health status and medication regimen, ensuring your choices support, rather than jeopardize, your kidney health. Lifestyle factors for kidney health. Beyond specific drinks, a holistic approach to lifestyle significantly contributes to robust kidney health. Maintaining a balanced diet, rich in fresh produce and lean proteins, is crucial. Regular exercise supports overall cardiovascular health, which in turn benefits the kidneys. Limiting salt intake helps manage blood pressure, reducing strain on these vital organs. Avoiding excess alcohol and sugary drinks is also key, as these can burden the kidneys over time. Finally, scheduling regular checkups with your doctor allows for early detection and management of any potential kidney issues. Maintaining kidney health goes beyond just drinks, but incorporating these 7 options can powerfully support your body's natural detox ability. By making smart, consistent choices regarding your hydration and nutrition, you empower your kidneys to function at their best, safeguarding your long-term well-being. If you found these kidney-friendly detox drinks helpful, please share this article with friends or family who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more health insights and leave a comment below. What's your favorite way to care for your kidneys?